नमस्कार. आपण कालच्या लेक्चरला आपण पाहिलं की टॉर्कची डेफिनेशन मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स अँड टॉर्क इज डिनोटेड बाय एन बार अँड एन बार इज इक्वल टू रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ अँग्युलर मोमेंटम एल बार दॅट इज एन बार इज इक्वल टू डी एल बार डी टी. हे झाले मेन कॉन्सेप्ट. आपलं अँग्युलर मोमेंटम पाहिलं, लिनियर मोमेंटम पाहिलं, व्हेलॉसिटी बघितली. आता आपण मेन कन्सेप्टकडे जाणार आहोत. क्लासिकल मेकॅनिक्समधल्या लॅग्रांजेस फॉर्म्युलेशनमधल्या फर्स्ट टॉपिक आपला लॅग्रांजेस फॉर्म्युलेशन स्टार्ट आहे. इक्वेशन्स ऑफ मोशन्स अँड कॉन्झर्वेशन थेरम्स या मेन कॉन्सेप्टकडे जाणार आहे. आता इथे दोन टाईप आहेत. इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन्स फॉर अ सिस्टीम ऑफ पार्टिकल और इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन फॉर अ पार्टिकल. एका पार्टिकलसाठी इक्वेशन्स ऑफ मोशन काय असेल किंवा सिस्टीमसाठी काय असेल हे पाहूया. म्हणजे एकापेक्षा जास्त पार्टिकल असतील त्यावेळेला आपल्याला काय असेल. ठीक आहे. तर आपल्याला इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन्स फॉर अ पार्टिकल बघायचे. Consider a particle of mass m whose position vector with respect to some fixed point is r bar. Position vector r bar आहे आणि mass m आहे. If f bar is a force applied on the particle, then the equation of motions of the particle is given by f p bar is equal to p bar dot, or by Newton's second law of motion f bar is equal to dp bar by dt, where p bar is the linear momentum of the particle and f bar is equal to p bar dp bar by dt, and where p bar is the linear momentum of the particle, that is p bar is equal to m dr by dt is equal to m r bar dot is the linear momentum of that particle. And in another way, force is defined as force is equal to mass into accelerations, where acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity, and velocity is nothing but rate of change of displacement. Therefore a bar is equal to d2 r by dt square. Now a bar is equal to d2 r by dt square, call equation number, and this integrate one times. Therefore we get dr by dt is equal to at plus c, where c is constant of integration, t is our variable, and therefore and we have to determine the value c using initial condition when time t is equal to 0. Therefore dr by dt is equal to initial velocity denoted by u bar. Therefore u bar is equal to a into 0 plus c. Therefore c is equal to u bar. Therefore equation c is equal to u bar, putting in equation dr by dt is equal to at plus c. c ची व्हॅल्यू या इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवूया. dr by dt is equal to at plus c. Therefore dr by dt is equal to v bar. आपण velocity, final velocity is equal to u plus at, and v bar is nothing but dr by dt, and again integrate we get r bar is equal to u plus 1 by 2 at square plus c1, where c1 is constant of integration, आणि आपल्याला त्याची व्हॅल्यू पण डिटरमाइन करायचे using initial conditions. t is equal to 0, r is equal to 0, and c1 is equal to 0. Therefore equation 6 can be written as r bar is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 a bar t square. Equation 5 nothing but v bar is equal to u plus at shows that velocity of particle at an instant t. And equation 7, nothing but r bar is equal to u bar t plus 1 by 2 a bar t square is nothing but the distance traveled by the particle at any time t. From equations 5, we eliminate the determinant, the factor t as therefore equation 5 can be written as v is equal to u plus at, therefore t replaced by one side and all replace another side, therefore t value of t is equal to v minus u divided by a. Putting this value value of t is equal to v minus u divided by a in equations 7, r bar is equal to u bar t plus 1 by 2 a bar t square. Therefore r is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 a into u v minus u divided by a bracket square. Therefore r is equal to u v minus u divided by a plus 1 by 2 a divided by a v square plus minus 2 uv plus u square u v minus u bracket square expansion divided by a square. A get cancelled, and this can be written as r is equal to u multiply v uv minus u square divided by a plus 1 by 2a v square minus 2 uv plus u square, and a get common denominator is therefore replace in LHS, therefore 2 twice ar, and 2 denominator make, therefore multiply and dividing by 2, therefore 2 uv minus u square divided by 2a 2, therefore 2 replaced by LHS, therefore 2 ar is equal to 2 uv minus 2 u square plus v square minus 2 uv plus u square, therefore v square minus u square is equal to twice ar, therefore v square is equal to u square plus twice ar. This equation determines the velocity of the particle at a given distance. And equation 5, v bar is equal to u plus at. 6, r bar is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square plus c1, and r bar is equal to 7th equation, r bar is equal to u bar t plus 1 by 2 a bar t square these are algebraic equations of motions, and which is derived from equation first, f bar is equal to dp bar by dt, that is f bar is equal to p bar dot, and this is the differential equation of the motions. From equation 9 it is clear that if applied force is 0, that is p bar is equal to 0, therefore p bar dot is equal to 0, and p bar dot is equal to 0, therefore p bar is equal to constant, therefore linear momentum of the particle is conserved. Now for the equations of motions आपल्याला for a particle आपल्याला आपण बघितलं f bar is equal to p bar dot, this is the equations of motions. आता आपण बघणार आहोत की सिस्टीम ऑफ पार्टिकल साठी इक्वेशन्स ऑफ मोशन्स ऑफ अ सिस्टीम ऑफ पार्टिकल. Consider a system of particle of masses m1, m2, dash 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 mn, having position vector r1, r2, dot 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 rn, relative to an arbitrary fixed origin. Any particle of this system will experience two types of forces. One is external force and another is internal force, that is Fi bar or Fj internal. Thus, the total force acting on the ith particle due to the interaction of all other n-1 particles of the system. The equations of motions of the ith particle is given by Fi E bar plus Fj internal j is equal to summation of j Fj internal is equal to P bar dot. P bar dot. The equations of motions of the whole system is obtained by summing over I. Therefore, the equation Fi E bar plus Fj internal is equal to summing over j is equal to P bar dot can be written as summation of P bar plus summation of over I summation over j Fj internal is equal to summation of P bar dot summation of P bar dot. Then we write this equation as summation over I F internal external plus summation over ij, I is not equal to j, Fj internal is equal to summation of Pi dot. The terms Fj internal summation over ij, I is not equal to j, represent the vector sum of all the internal represents the vector sum of all the interaction forces due to the presence of remaining n-1 particle. However, there is no self-interacting forces. Therefore, Fj internal is equal to 0. Fj internal is equal to 0. This is Fj internal is equal to 0. This is Fj internal is equal to 0. Also, the internal force obey the Newton's third law of motion. What is Newton's third law of motion? डावीकडून येणारे फोर्स आणि उजवीकडून येणारे फोर्स हे न्यूट्रल होतात, त्यामुळे त्यांची समेशन ही 0 होते. Also the internal forces obey the Newton's third law of motions. This is the actions of one particle on the other is equal but opposite to the actions of second on the first. This implies that the mutual interaction between the ith and jth particle are equal and opposite. Therefore, Fji internal is equal to minus Fij internal. Therefore, summation of Fji internal Ij, summation over Ij, I is not equal to 0 is equal to 0. And we know that from this equation Fij is equal to 0 for all Ij. I is equal to j is equal to 0. Therefore, totally summation of Fji internal is equal to 0. Therefore, these equations, what is equations? Fi plus Fji internal is equal to 0, and if Fji internal is replaced by 0, therefore Fi is equal to P bar dot. This is the equation where P is the total linear. Pi means total linear momentum of the system, and P bar is equal to Pi bar dot is the total external force acting on the system, and this is the equations of motions of the particle of the system of particle, and this is our equations of motions of a particle or for a particle or